Sometimes the smart home device can be about function. Sometimes it can be about convenience. Sometimes it's just a really cool tech device that livens up your home and is a lot of fun to use. Today, we're talking about a device that's in the last category. Let's get to it. What up, everybody? It's George Langabeer with Silver Hammer Surveillance, once again coming to you from Voltage Studio. Here on the channel, we talk smart home tech, we talk home security, we have videos weekly. Follow me on the socials, specifically Instagram, where I give you a little more insight into the man behind Silver Hammer Surveillance. We talk the smart home, we talk home security. I also share my health journey, diagnosed with colon cancer, stage 4, back in October 2022, currently kicking cancer's ass, but I've been sharing more of my health journey on Instagram, so follow us there, please. Today we are talking about the smart home. We're talking about a fun smart home device. It's a plant with integrated smart lighting from the people at Fluora. Fluora is actually from the people at Color and Light. They're a bunch of artists, designers, producers, fabricators. They're just a bunch of awesome people that do a bunch of cool stuff with light. I'll show you some of their projects. They're fantastic. But yeah, they've made this plant with smart home tech integrated into it with smart lighting. So we're going to unbox it. I'm going to show you how to put it together. We're going to talk about the app. I'm going to give you my pros and cons. Now, I want to thank Fluora for sending me this plant. Now, I reached out to them. They didn't reach out to me. I just saw advertisements for it, thought it looked really cool. So I really appreciate them sending it to me. But of course, now that I've tried it, I'm going to give you my honest feedback and tell you like it is. So let's get started with the unboxing and how to put this bad boy together. All right, now that we've unboxed and assembled, let's talk price and specs. Before we do that, I just want to mention Fluora is made by the people at Color and Light, like I said, amazingly creative people that do all sorts of cool, innovative stuff with lighting. You can see the examples here, just great, great stuff. Today we are talking about their Fluora Mini, a mini plant with smart lighting. They're also going to have the Fluora floor plant. It's going to be available to ship in spring of 2024, but you can pre-order it now. Okay, getting back to price and specs. Today we are talking about the Fluora Mini. That is $215, which is a Black Friday sale. It is normally $299, so depending on when you're watching this, it might be back to $299. They also have the Fluora floor plant, which is coming spring of 2024. It is currently on pre-order as a Black Friday sale for $449. It will normally be $499 when it comes out. So strike while the iron's hot. The Fluora Mini is a decorative and innovative smart light. It's basically a fabricated plant and the leaves are smart lights. It's pretty freaking cool. You've got a variety of colors, textures, and atmospheric effects through the app. In addition to the Fluora Mini itself, Fluora is also offering 2 different floor stands to put the plant on. The leaves have 135 LEDs total, and that's 15 per leaf. As you saw in the assembly, you've got 3 stems, 9 leaves, and 1 pot. It's over 26 inches tall and it's 6 pounds without the stand. The leaves have a max lumens of 675 and that's 16 million different colors. Pretty awesome. Okay, that's price and specs. Let's talk the Fluora app. All right, the Fluora app is available in the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. You've got your plus button in the top left to add your device. Settings wheel in the top right is just need help or privacy policy. I haven't used that myself. Then you go to your main screen. There's your device. Power it on and off. Then you've got your settings wheel on the right, and then you've got your firmware, the model. You can create your schedule there. You control your time zone, observe daylight savings. You've got an ambient light sensor that will turn it on and off depending on the light in the room. Troubleshooting, reboot your device, reset your device Wi-Fi, and forget your device. Going back to the main screen, that's where you've got your light scenes. You can either do auto, scene, which will toggle through the scenes. You've got party, chill, focus, bedtime, and awaken. You can also create a manual scene where you have full control over the lights. You can control the brightness, the hue, and the saturation. If you go to control panel, you have even more control. You can go through their predetermined scenes at the bottom. You can control your speed, variance, size, and again, the brightness, hue, and saturation. Very simple, very straightforward, but a lot of fun. All right, that's the Fluora app, and I think they're just getting started with this bad boy. I think it'll just get better and better over time. Again, this is a brand new device, and it's just going to get better. The people at Color and Light are just so creative. Moving on to my review and what I actually think about it, it's pretty short and sweet. Let's start with the pros. It's a very unique product. There's really nothing else like it. It's an awesome conversation starter. It's very well made, very easy to use, and I love all the features in the app. As far as cons, there's really only a couple. I wish I had Apple Home integration or Matter integration. You know, I'm an Apple Home fan. I wish I could get it in there, but oh well. I did need to reset the Fluora Mini a couple times, so I had to just unplug it and plug it back in just to make it work. And then sometimes the app wasn't finding it, but once I unplugged it and plugged it back in, it did. And that just happened a few times during testing. And then I did notice on the 3 stems that a couple of them just needed adjusted once in a while. So you just kind of need to twist them, because if they're not twisted in there really well, they don't light up. So again, I just had to do that a couple times. But now it seems since the last time I adjusted them, I've been good to go for quite a while now. So that's it. Pretty short and sweet. Now I will tell you that I like the Fluora Mini so much that I did buy a second one. And I also have the floor plant coming in spring of 2024. They sent me the first one. I bought the other 2 on my own. So that just tells you that I really like it. I think it's very innovative. I think when people come in here, they're going to ask me what the heck that is. And that's always cool. But you know, smart lighting can be about function. Smart lighting can be about security. And sometimes it can just be fun. And that's what this is. So let me know in the comments, what do you think? What's your favorite smart home device when it comes to smart home lighting? I'd love to know. But yeah, Fluora is awesome. The people at Color and Light are awesome. I think they're just going to keep coming out with innovative stuff, and hopefully more of it's direct to consumer like this Fluora. We'll see. Okay, so smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. You know, I always say, whether you're an old school subscriber that's gone through the thick of it with me, or a new subscriber that's new to the party, I appreciate all you very much. I'm so glad you're here, so glad you're watching, so glad you're enjoying our content. And keep coming back for more. Check us out on Instagram. And until the next video, peace and love.